Hello everyone, I'm Kate and I'm here to walk you through how to send fun animated emojis to your friends on WhatsApp. Now, before you can do this, you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. After doing that, you open up the friends chat. Then you swipe to the right, the chat you want to respond to open up your message box, and now you tap on the emoji icon on the message box. This will open up the animated tab. As you can see, we have a lot of fun ones. You can pick any one you want. Let's say I decide to pick this one. You can add a caption and send it. Now this is fun, but if you don't want to do this way, you can do the other way by making your own version. How do you do this? Swipe the message again, click on the emoji icon. Now you tap on the plus sign. You remove the one there. You add two emojis you want to use. Let's say I want to use this and I want to use this. Then you tap on animate at the top right here. So see how it goes. You can choose different versions like this, any of them you want. So let's say I want to use this one. Then I click on done. You can add caption if you like. And you send it. And that is how to send fun animated WhatsApp emojis to your friends. If you learned anything from this, please, you can thank me by tapping on the like button and subscribing to the channel.